I'm so excited here at Supercomputing 2022 to tell you about the AWS booth and some of the fantastic things we're showing about our customers and the work they're doing. Here in the booth, we're highlighting customers like Formula One that are doing groundbreaking simulations combined with machine learning to optimize their racing cars and the races that they run. We also have partners like Rescale and Total CAE that are demonstrating their software and how it makes it easy to run on the cloud, and their skills at helping engineers solve their problems. We have Good Chemistry, a company that's combining machine learning with HPC and using that to accelerate drug and molecule analysis so that they can solve pollution problems in the world today, helping us find those PFAS nanoparticles in the environment and ways to biodegrade them. We have speakers giving talks both in our booth, where we have both customers and AWS service folks, people from our products groups, talking about AWS products like Batch and Parallel Cluster and how they are innovating and how their roadmap is developing. We're talking to customers about Graviton 3, which won an award with HPC Wire for the most exciting new technologies coming down the pipe. And Graviton is an ARM-based processor that's going to change the way HPC is done, giving groundbreaking energy efficiency for doing HPC simulations. We're also talking to customers. We have many customer meetings and engagements. We're roaming the show floor talking to our partners, partners like Ansys and Altair, who have software that they are innovating and getting to run on AWS. We're also meeting with many of the folks here, the customers, and talking about new technologies like quantum computing and AWS's bracket service and how that can help users sandbox and test algorithms for new technologies like quantum computing. There's certainly so many large problems that we're helping people solve on a daily basis. We just announced an initiative with Harvard for a Harvard Data Science Initiative where they're looking at groundbreaking initiatives and research to help with sustainability, carbon footprint, and other types of global needs for solving problems with HPC. And we have customers like AI21 that are using large language models and solving those models on AWS, and then doing inference on those to enable critical customers to look at how they're using language, whether that language is prejudicial, and whether there's bias in the way that they're processing language. Those types of new innovations that aren't traditional HPC are really exciting. We also have traditional HPC customers like Boom Aerospace and Whisk Aero that are solving problems on a daily basis using computational fluid dynamics. And it's really exciting to be meeting with those customers here at Supercomputing. In the area of quantum computing, AWS's bracket service is groundbreaking. It allows customers to get access to multiple quantum hardware devices in an era where people need to test and experiment. We just announced the availability of the Xanadu quantum computers available on AWS. Those types of technologies are really critical for experimentation and exploration of these new innovations and how they will impact what we do in HPC. We're super excited every year when HPC Wire does their awards, and it's really an amazing time for us. We go out and we talk to our customers. We say, hey, these are amazing projects that you've done. You should submit those to HPC Wire and let the voters decide if this is a groundbreaking, really innovative technology. That's what we do every year, and it's so exciting. And then to see the readers vote on HPC Wire Awards, we're so excited. For the 5th year in a row, they voted AWS as the HPC Cloud Leader. And this is an amazing award. We're so proud that the readers are expressing that we're the leader in cloud innovation. We also won an award, as I said earlier, for Graviton, one of our most innovative technologies. One of our customers, ARM, is doing a lot of their design and verification EDA workloads on AWS using AWS Batch as a service, and they won an award for the innovative technologies that allow them to do millions of simulations a day. It's really fun to come to supercomputing every year and look at what technologies and innovations, what software, what programming models are going to change the way that supercomputing is done years from now. There are a couple things that are really amazing to see. One is that we're seeing programming models like SPAC being used to enable users to package up an application and run it on different architectures. That type of work done by Lawrence Livermore and AWS is really groundbreaking innovation. Also, it's amazing how we're seeing machine learning combined with HPC. Today, it's really the tip of the iceberg. Machine learning is going to accelerate HPC in a way we've never seen before. And we see that today with physics-informed neural networks and with large language models, and we're just going to see that explode over the next few years.